Shorting and filtering is one of the most important option whenever we talk about large number of data, as it helps to find out the proper data or what we are looking for. And that's what we are going to show you in this video, that how you can use short option and filtration option in MS Excel. So hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. This is the 10th video in this MS Excel course, and in this video we are going to show you how to use short and filter functions in MS Excel. So let's get into the video without any further ado. So guys, welcome back to our spreadsheet. As you can see, this is the demo data which we have created earlier in this particular MS Excel series. You can watch our previous videos where we have shown you how to apply formulas, how to apply formatting, how to apply a table, right? So, but in this video, we are going to show you how to add the filtration option in this particular table. This is just a small, almost 10 student data we have, but if you have hundreds of thousands of data and you want to filter out something, you want to filter out some important crucial data from that particular thousands of numbers of data, in that case, filtration option and sorting option can prove as a lifesaver. So with that said, let's start with our main task, that is applying the filtration option. So first we have to select the sheet, right? We have to select it like this, right? As I've already told you in the previous video as well, that you don't have to select the upper heading. You just have to select these headings, which denotes your numbers or which denotes your data, right? Everything is perfect. We have selected the data. Now you just have to go to data option, right? And here's the filter option. Once you click here, the filter will be applied. Otherwise, you can just type a shortcut key, which is Alt A then L. Now it is saying summary rows detail, summary columns to right of details, obviously. Okay, I guess it didn't happen. Let me select again and just click on this filter option. Yeah, filter has been applied, as you can see here. These are the filter options over here, right? So we got two simple ways to apply a filtration option. The first one is just shortcut, and that is Alt A plus L. You don't have to play simultaneously. You have to press one by one. First you have to press Alt, then A, then L. L as in lion, right? Otherwise you can just select the data, go to data option and click on this filter option, and your filtration option will be applied here, as you can see here. Now what we got in these filtration options? Well, there are tons of options which can help you to filter out the data, right? For example, let me show you one by one. For example, this is the student data. Now you want to organize it by A to Z, or you have other option as well, like text filters, or let's say start with the A to Z option. For example, you have to sort it by A to Z. Just click on this and all the numbers or all the students will be sorted by A to Z format, right? A, C, J, 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 L, M, like this. And as you can see, serial numbers are also organized now. Now let me press Ctrl Z and go back. Now we got some other options as well. Let me show you. This is vice versa. This is Z to A. Then we have sort by color, but we haven't applied any color here. Otherwise we can sort by color option as well. Now for example, you just want to remove Adams and Lily from the sheet and hit OK, and you'll be able to see that Adams and Lily is removed from the sheet. So this is what you can do with your filtration option. Let me press Ctrl Z and show you the data, show you the other options. So I'm just giving you the glimpse of these filtration option, and if you want to master these options, you have to check out by yourself, right? I'm just giving you the idea that how you can use these options, what are the benefits of these options, right? Now in text filters we got these options. The first one is equals to, equals, right? If you click on this, for example, I write John here, okay, and if I click OK, I'll be able to see John name only here, but I do have only one John here. That's why I'm able to see only one John. Otherwise, if you have multiple Johns in your data, you'll be able to extract all the Johns in from your sheet, right? So this is how it helps. Then we have other option, and that is does not equals, which means, for example, I want I have written again John, right? And if I click OK, you'll be able to see that John is removed now. So if you have multiple Johns in your list, all the Johns will be removed from the list, right? Let me press Ctrl Z again and go to text filters, begins with. So I guess you got the idea that what is this option is about. Begins with, for example, I wrote M. So all the names which begins with M letter will be shown only. Other option is ends with, same goes with begins with. Here will be here it will show all the names which will ends with the letter. Let me show you. Ends with letter S. And if I hit OK, all the names which ends with letter S will be shown only. Now we have some other options like contains. For example, if the name contains a letter in it, it will shown. Also we have custom filter options. You can create some custom filter as well. It is totally up to you that what you want to create, right? Let me cancel it. Now this is what the alphabet options, letter option, but in number options we got some other options as well, right? This is the option smallest to biggest. This is the sorting option. We'll be showing you how to sort here from here as well, but both the options are same, sorting option, right? Now the main thing is these number filters. For example, if you want to sort, from greater than let me show you greater than option. I write here 50. Okay, so all the marks which is greater, also make sure that where you are applying the filtration option. I have applied filtration just in this subject particular only. You'll be able to see this filter funnel like shape here, like design here, right? So that denotes that I have applied a filtration option here, right? Now it is showing that all the marks which is greater than 50. I guess I have applied 50, right? Yes, I have applied 50. So the marks which is greater than 50, only those numbers are showing here, right? Let me press Ctrl Z again, go to number option. We got some other options as well, less than, greater than, or equals to, right? Like for example, if you write 50, which means 50 or greater than 50, right? Less than or equals to, between. I hope you are getting my point, right? Then you can find out the top 10 marks or top 10 numbers from these results. Basically you can apply these filtration options in total marks, but if you want to apply these filtration in particular individual subjects, you can do that as well. That is totally up to you, right? So this was about the numbers option. Now in filtration option we got this. In results option you can take the leverage of filtration option very very highly, because it will help you to find out the past students or failed students, right? So students who have passed, you have to select this pass option only and click on OK, and you'll be able to see only pass students. And same goes with the fail. If you want to just show the fail students, select the fail and you'll be able to see fail option. Let me press Ctrl Z, and you can also apply these filters on your grade options as well. Like for example, you just want to see the students who got B grade, right? Like this, right? So that's how you apply filters. Now I'll be showing you how to apply sort, right? How to do sorting option. For example, I have selected all these names. Now I want to sort from A to Z. These are the sort options, as I've already shown you. And in sort options we got only two options, A to Z or Z to A, right? You can, if you want to sort from A to Z, or if you want to sort from Z to A, right? Now in names options, name of the student, I want to apply this sort option from A to Z. So if I click on this, I'll be able to see a warning from Excel that Microsoft found data next to your selection. Since you have not selected this data, it will not be sorted. What do you want to do? Expand the selection or continue with the current selection? For example, if you go with continue with the current selection, then your name will be automatically sorted, but the marks will be same, which means the data will get messed up, right? Let's say John has got 23 in language, so the numbers will not be changed, right? So we have to select expand selection so that all the data can change according to the names, right? So click on sort, and as you can see, the name has been changed, the format has been changed, and as you can see, John got 23 as the previous, right? Now let me press Ctrl Z. Same goes with Ctrl Z to A. And if you want to apply this sorting option in numbers, then this will be go to lowest to highest or highest to lowest, like this. This is what all about sorting and filtration. So I hope you got the point. I hope you understood each and everything. If you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. And if you like the video, please hit that subscribe and like button. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.